Alright folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2016 Dodge Charger Police 5.7 HEMI rear-wheel drive. Former unmarked vehicle. Original gray from factory. This is the original paint, folks. The vehicle is not a repaint. Once again, this is the original paint of the car. Vehicle does have about 3 door dings. I will point those out as I make my way around the vehicle. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the state, folks. Vehicle does have a clean and clear title. Vehicle does have 67,000 miles, folks. All original. 67,000 miles, folks. Vehicle does have window tint. That appears to be a medium shade, not too dark, not too light, but you can still see right through. Perfect color combination for this vehicle. Vehicle does have 2 antennas, one on the roof and one on the trunk lid. If you are planning to drive your car through an express car wash, rest assured that those antennas will stay put. As you guys can see, the vehicle has been registered. Does have California plates. We do have the title on hand, and the California smog will be done if we do have a California buyer. Otherwise, we'll leave it alone. Once again, folks, vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed. She doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, as I already have done everything for you. The paint does look nice and beautiful, very shiny. If we come into the rear right quarter panel, I do have one door ding right here, folks. I do have some scuff marks right here, right along the wheel well. Those didn't come off, even though we tried. You can't see them, but they are here, folks. All right, they're little white tiny dots, not dots, little scratches. Usually this type of stuff happens when you get a flat tire and it goes all over the wheel well right there. Let me backtrack to the rear right quarter panel, rear right bumper. I do have a scuff mark right here on the bottom right. It's right there, folks, a little scratch. And you do have a little push right here. I think the vehicle may be reversed into a pull. It didn't crack it, but you can see right there. You can see there's a little bent right there. Back away, you guys can see it right there. Vehicle does have a nice set of steel wheels. Vehicle does have a nice new set of takeoffs. Those are going to be 245 55 18s, DOT of 24. Nice looking vehicle, folks. She drives like a dream. Vehicle does have one new use working LED spotlight that I installed in there. Vehicle did come with a Satina push bar. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. If you don't like it, I can always remove it. Okay, just pay me for the labor. Vehicle does have a nice new set of OEM headlights. Everything does work on the vehicle. The front driver's side headlight assembly was replaced on this side because the DLR did not work. So that DLR did work, this one didn't, and I can't have a car with not working DLR. It will drive me crazy. So yes, I got a new use OEM headlight on eBay and installed it. Those are the actual antennas, folks. They're not going anywhere. You guys see that right there? Let's go inside and show you what we got here. Vehicle does have a nice interior, matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vehicle does have vinyl flooring. All 4 door panels are intact and in mint conditions, so you guys can see. Driver's side seat is nice and comfortable. Vehicle does have a police type Havis center console. What you see is what you're gonna get. Passenger side seat appears to be in good shape as well, nice and firm, both seats. I do have one tear here, folks, on the driver's side vinyl. There it is. That's about it. Hunk does work. Let's go inside. Vehicle did come with one key fob only. Let me clean this up here for you guys. one key fob. So let's go ahead and fire her up. All pressure lights are up. Vehicle does have, let me clean this up here for you guys. Vehicle does have 67,000 miles. We're gonna round that up to 68, folks, because I will be driving this car a little bit more. Sorry, I can't get this to clean up. Wow, crazy. I hope you guys can see it. 67. Again, we're gonna round it up to 68. I'm gonna be driving the car a little bit more, just to make sure she's solid, and if something does come up, I can always catch it. Okay. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Stereo does work. It is touchscreen right here. You can control everything from here. Your AC from here. You can do it from there as well. Okay. Working cruise control. Vehicle does have factory working Bluetooth. You can always connect your phone to the car and take your calls. And stream your music if I'm not mistaken. Nice LED light. Everything does work. Map lights do work, so when you open the doors, these will come up. Sunglasses holder right here. Red LED, white LED. Very cold air conditioner, folks. These cigarette lighters here do not work, but the ones that are here on the side, these two do work, and you have USB connection and aux right here. Okay, sorry guys. I'm trying to focus here real quick. There you have it. There will be a picture also in my eBay description. Vehicle does have a manual right there. Okay. There it is. Let's go to the trunk. Honk does work. I think that's it here. Oh, vehicle does have a new OEM lower door hinge over there. All right, that one is new. You guys can see it. That is a factory new, folks. Those usually go bad, and I do like to have those on standby in my storage. That way I can pull and go as I go. This is the trunk. Vehicle did come with 4 WeatherTech floor mats. Those will go with the car. This is the trunk. The vehicle does have a brand new OEM steel wheel and brand new tire right here. Goodyear Eagle RSA. DOT on this one is 25. The vehicle did not come with a spare tire, so I had to go out and get one. This is the trunk. Nice, very nice. All right, everything does work. Let's put this floor mats back in here. Once again, buyer takes all. Okay, I don't need them. Very, very nice looking vehicle, folks. Very happy with this one. She does draw attention. All right, folks. Here's the engine. Once again, vehicle does have a clean and clear title. And let's go with the services. Starting right to left, vehicle does have a brand new air filter. Vehicle does have 16 new OEM irradiant spark plugs. Full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter was done. Vehicle does have a new coolant reservoir tank and Mopar coolant. Vehicle does have a new cabin filter. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Dry belt and tensioner are in good condition, so I didn't have to replace those at all. Suspension is nice and tight. No funny noises whatsoever. The vehicle does have 2 new front forward control arms by Moog. Brakes are around 70%, so I didn't have to replace those, and I did leave those alone. Let me be quiet so you can hear the engine. There you guys have it. No funny noises, no funny ticks, no funny clunks. She's solid. She is road ready, folks. Folks, I'm not sure how long this vehicle will remain online. So if you see something you like, do not hesitate to give me a call. We can talk about it. and we can discuss a number that we're both going to be happy with. I want one last final look at this beautiful 2016 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI rear-wheel drive. Once again, little scratches here, one door ding here. I do have some scuff marks on the front bumper, folks, as well. I'm sorry, I should have pointed those out. There's one right here, okay, and there's another one right here. All right, I'm making sure you can see everything that's happening here. And this one, door ding happened to me when I went to Home Depot. I parked far away and somebody wanted to park next to me, and I got door ding right there. All right, you guys can see it. There you guys have it. All right, folks, this is Mario, the Crown Victoria guy, also known as Soca Police Cruisers. Thanks for watching. I gotta go. You guys have a blessed week. And again, if you see something you like, please do not hesitate to call me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.